morning student. Today we are here to revise the chapter number 3, that is reasons of the world. Now student, in this chapter we will study about the forest, equatorial forest, polar region, temperate grassland and desert. And now student, polar region, Greenland. It is also called the frigid zone of the earth because polar region, it is in frigid zone, and this zone is around the North Pole and South Pole. They are mostly covered with ice. So student, climate here is very cold throughout the year. Sometime during winter the sun is not visible for several weeks. During summer the country experiences several weeks of continuous sunlight. So student, it is very cold and glacier also there. Nature, moss, lichen. Now yesterday we will study about it. What is lichen? Lichen is a simple slow growing plant that typically forms a low crusty leaf-like or branching growth on rock, walls and trees. And grass are the only plant that grow here. Animals in this region such as reindeer, musk ox and polar bear and so more, they have the fur and thick skin. Whales are also seen there in Greenland. Now people here, Inuits, they live in igloos and they wear cloth made of seal skin and fur to protect themselves from the cold. Now student, after that, temperate zone, it is also a grassland, USA. It is, here is moderate climate. Now student, grassland are also covered with grass. They occur naturally on all continents except Antarctica. They are called the prairies in North America, pampas in South America and valley in Africa. Climate here is extreme. It is very cold in winter and very hot in summer. The rainfall in the prairies is moderate. Nature here is grassland have a few trees along river. Grass grow in large quantities during spring and bison is wild hogs, rabbits, prairie dog, rattlesnake carry viper, and hawks are found in this region. Insects like ant, grasshopper, locust, and flies are found here. People, prairie grasslands are called the wheat basket of the world, and Punjab and Haryana called the wheat basket of the India. Now wheat and meat are the staple food here, and people who take care of cattle on ranches in North America are called cowboys. People wear heavy woolen garments in winter and cotton cloths in summer. After that we go on desert, Saudi Arabia. Now student, Rubal Khali, it is a desert in Saudi Arabia which is Rubal Khali. It is the name of the desert. It is in Saudi Arabia. Climate here is very hot, little rainfall and no vegetation. They may be hot or cold. Climate, temperature high during the day and very low at night sometime. There is no rain for several years due to lack of water. People, rice, meat and different kinds of bread are the staple food of the people of Saudi Arabia. Oil drilling is a major occupation here. They wear flowing cloth. Nature, plants that grow here have long roots that grow deep into the soil in search of water. An oasis is the only fertile part of a desert and is formed when underground water comes up to the surface to form a water body. Many people live near an oasis. Now students, name a desert in India and the state it belongs to. The Thar desert in Rajasthan. Then equatorial forest or tropical forest. Lie around the equator. Equator always draw on 0 degree in between the globe. Climate here is the Democratic Republic of Congo is in Africa. It is located in the torrid zone. Climate in Congo is pleasant with bright sunshine in the morning and very high temperature in afternoon. This is followed by heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning in the evening, making the night cool. Nature. The forests here are evergreen. Trees remain green throughout the year because of rainfall. Teak, mahogany, ebony, bamboo, banana, plantain means banana, palm tree, coconut, coca plant and rosewood are some trees found here. Gorillas, parrots, cuckoo, sunbirds and heron, it is bagula, are commonly found here. Hippopotamus, elephant, buffaloes, leopards, poisonous snakes, insects and flies also found in equatorial forest. People. Pygmies, some of the shortest people on earth, live here. They are usually only about 120 centimeters tall. Now then after, students, in this chapter we studied about the some points. Polar region, it is in frigid zone. Temperate grassland, it is in temperate zone. Equatorial forest, it is on torrid zone, and desert also on in torrid zone. Two types of desert, hot and cold. Why we call the desert? Because of lack of rainfall. Polar region, it is in frigid zone. Now students, in this chapter we study about the, first page we study about the gorilla. And now end of this chapter, page number 41, complete the mind map. It is very interesting. One example is there, deserts, example Saudi Arabia. Which desert is there? Rubal Khali. In which desert in Rajasthan? Thar desert in Rajasthan. Okay, now in first grassland, example well in Africa. You write the more. Prairies, savanna, so many things. Then equatorial forest, example the Democratic Republic of Congo. Polar region, example Greenland. So complete the mind map in this chapter. And now student, this is a summary of these chapters, and hope you all know this chapter very well. Thank you student for listening me.